Now let's demonstrate the use of the remote control. This is a battery-powered, remote control lawn mower. Turn on the remote control. Turn on the power. This is the headlight switch for the lawn mower. Remote control forward or backward. This can control the direction of travel, turn left or right. You can control the height of the cutter head through this switch. High and low speed switching. Switch for walking. This knob controls the revolutions per minute of the motor.